Welcome to you all in your own YouTube channel of Skill Rachna Institute of Technology for the unlimited free and practical knowledge in the field of construction industry. Those who all are watching this video, I want to make sure them that after watching this video, they will not require to see any other video to understand what is the difference between construction management and a project management. What exactly the difference is between the construction management and a project management? Is the person involved in the work of construction is the construction management, and the person involved in project is called project management. Such kind of a comedy answer generally you used to hear whenever you ask the question, what is the difference between construction management and a project management? Basic question starts, what is the difference? There is a difference or no difference, or both are the same, just spell is different. The answer is no. There is a big difference between them. To understand the concept step by step, we need to first understand the 3P of construction industry. That is project, program and portfolio. So let's start with understanding what is the project. In simple sense, I can say a bunch of people trying to make something together. As per the definition of PMI, Project Management Institute, those definition is followed by all over the world. According to them, temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service or a result to achieve a specific objective which is having a definite start and a definite time. In simple way, I can say my site is my project. So now a program is just a collection of projects that share one big common goal. Am I able to see in the diagram? Program is just about the projects, right? One program can have a single project or it can have a more than one projects. As per the PMI, a group of projects managed in a coordinated manner to obtain benefits which are not available from managing them individually. Just take a case. In Bangalore city, there is a medium-sized developer is there and he's having around four residential projects into the Bangalore city. As the developer has assigned different project managers for respective projects, but still the project is able to finish in their own respect, but still they are not able to take some of the common benefits as they all four projects belong to the same entity or the company. Benefits like they can share their human resources, they can share their equipment or the materials, they can share the capitals, they can share the expertise, right? All that stuff can be easily shared and taken advantage to earn more profit, right? So that is the club or the cluster of a projects which we can have a common goal is basically known as a program. Portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of projects and a program. Now if we are able to see in the diagram, portfolio is at the top and we are having a link of program and then the projects. So in simple sense, I can say it is a collection of projects and the program. According to PMI, projects, program and portfolios are managed as a group to achieve strategic objective of the company, right? Means organization need to decide which are the right one, how many projects we can take, how many projects we can easily complete on a time, right? In simple sense, I can say portfolio decides, are we doing the right projects? Yes, in any companies, those who are having a limited resource, means let me talk about the India's number one or the world's number one company. They may having a limitation resources, right? They can't take all the projects of the world, right? So whenever they are deciding which project they need to take, which program they need to create, which project or they need to take care of, they need to give the priority to finish, all that stuff will be depend on their strategic objective of the company. Okay, so I think you understand the theory. Let's try to understand in a practical sense what exactly that project, program and portfolio. So if you understand in practical way, it's very simple to understand what is construction management and what is project management. Let me take an example of a real estate company, that is L&T Construction. So when I am talking about L&T Construction is having a 5 portfolios: airport, IT space, health and leisure, residential buildings and factories. So I'm taking one of the program that is a residential building. So as you are able to see in the image Google map, the red dots are the residential building of L&T Construction in Mumbai city. So the red dots are become a project. These projects are a part of my program, that is a residential building, and this program is a part of one of the portfolio which L&T Construction is having. Okay. Now once we understand this, now it becomes very simple to understand what is construction management and what is the project management. Now the persons involved or the process involved to complete the project, that is becomes a construction management, right? It involves execution of the work, quality management, safety management, all that stuff is into the construction management. Now the resources or the persons involved into management of portfolio, program and even the projects, that becomes the part of the project management, right? Tender or bidding process, doing the contract management, all that stuff become a part of your project management. So now I hope you are able to understand that stuff. Okay, so for more videos or advanced technologies, recent news and practical information on construction industry, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, and believe us, your like and comments motivate us to make more interesting video for you. If you think this video can help anyone, those who are planning to opt for a construction management course or a project management course, kindly share with them so that they can understand in better way. Right? So whatever the queries you are having in concern of construction management, project management, let us know in the comment. We will definitely try to answer your questions. Right? Thank you everyone. So see you in the next video.